If you're shopping for a new vehicle in 2026, there's something the dealership probably won't tell you. Some of today's most popular cars could turn into financial sinkholes just a few years from now. I'm talking about vehicles that look great today, but could hit owners with massive repair bills, rapid depreciation, or reliability nightmares once that warranty expires. And here's the crazy part: several of the models on today's list are best sellers in America. So before you sign anything, let's look at the 10 vehicles experts say could become future money pits and what you should consider buying instead. Welcome back to Everyman Driver. This channel is all about helping everyday car buyers avoid bad deals and making smarter purchases. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I've been posting new videos every week since 2012, daily car buying intelligence, vehicle reviews, market insights that could save you thousands of dollars. And before you buy anything new or used, always check out real-time dealer pricing at quotes.everymandriver.com. That site lets you compare multiple dealers competing for your business so you don't overpay. It's all based on zip code. There's a direct link below this video. All right, let's jump right into today's list. At number 1, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. At the top of the list is that Wagoneer, a luxury SUV that looks incredible, but it's also one of the highest risk ownership vehicles on the market right now. Consumer Reports reliability scores have consistently placed Jeep near the bottom of the industry, often ranking 25th or worse out of 30 brands. The Wagoneer lineup is loaded with complex electronics, air suspension, turbocharged engines, massive infotainment systems, all things that become extremely expensive to repair outside warranty. According to repair data from industry analysts, average luxury SUV repair visits after warranty can cost between $1,200 and $2,000 per visit. And the Wagoneer has already seen multiple recalls and software issues. Depreciation is another concern. Some early Wagoneers have lost over 25 grand in value within 2 years. Instead, consider the following: the Toyota Sequoia Hybrid. Why? Well, Toyota ranks top 3 in long-term reliability nearly every single year. Sequoia powertrains routinely exceed 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. You can see what the deals are being offered right now in your zip code at the link below. Next, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, certain engine options, even though I'm going to be showing you the Trail Boss. Not every version, though, is a smart buy. Some of the engines, particularly the 2.7-liter turbo 4-cylinder and certain cylinder deactivation V8 models, have durability concerns. GM's active fuel management system has historically been linked to the following: lifter failures, camshaft wear, expensive engine repairs. Some repair estimates for lifter replacement have exceeded $4,000 to $6,000. Trucks are becoming increasingly expensive. The average full-size truck transaction price in the U.S. right now exceeds 62 grand. That means if something fails out of warranty, repairs can be financially brutal. So an alternative, how about the F-150 hybrid? This powertrain has proven surprisingly durable while delivering up to 700 miles of range, strong torque, and better fuel economy. Next, the Land Rover Range Rover. Beautiful, iconic, but historically a reliability nightmare. Land Rover frequently ranks dead last in reliability surveys. Some studies show Range Rover owners experiencing over twice the average number of problems per year compared to mainstream vehicles. Repair costs can be staggering. Here's a couple of examples. Air suspension replacement, more than 3 grand. Electrical issues, $1,500. Cooling system repairs could be more than $2,000. Luxury SUVs are especially risky because every component is expensive, and once warranty coverage ends, owners often face 5-figure repair totals over time. A better alternative, the Lexus GX. Built on a proven Toyota platform, these SUVs regularly exceed 250,000 miles. How about the Tesla Model X? Electric vehicles reduce maintenance in some areas, but the Model X has developed a reputation for complex electronics, Falcon door malfunctions, and even some software glitches. Repairing those doors alone can cost between $2,500 and $5,000, depending on the issue. Tesla parts availability can also delay the repairs. Some owners report months waiting for service appointments. And EV depreciation has become brutal recently. Some used Model X vehicles have lost 40 to 50% of their value within 3 years. So the better alternative, if you want to stay with a Tesla, the Model Y. Simpler design, lower ownership costs, and it's currently America's best-selling EV. The Nissan Armada. The Armada looks tough, but its outdated platform and fuel economy make it risky long-term. This SUV averages around 15 miles per gallon combined. With gas prices fluctuating, fuel costs alone could exceed $3,000 every year for many people. That's thousands more than hybrid competitors. Reliability has also been inconsistent in recent years, so the better alternative, the Grand Highlander hybrid from Toyota. Fuel economy around 34 miles per gallon combined, more than double. That's potentially double the efficiency and double the savings. Quick reminder, if you're shopping for a vehicle this year, don't walk into a dealership blind. Compare real-time dealer offers at quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine. Multiple dealers can compete for your business so you can see who's actually has the best price in your area. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. Also see the direct link below this video. That brings us to the Jeep Wrangler 4xe. The plug-in hybrid Wrangler sounds like the perfect combination, but early reliability data shows numerous recalls and battery concerns. Wrangler repair costs are already high. Adding a hybrid battery system makes long-term ownership more complicated. Battery replacement in plug-in vehicles can exceed $10,000 once the warranty expires. So maybe check out the Subaru Outback Wilderness. I had that one recently. Similar off-road capability, much stronger reliability record. Here's a BMW 7 Series. Luxury sedans are notorious money pits once that warranty expires. The BMW 7 Series includes air suspension, advanced electronics, complex turbocharged engines. Luxury car maintenance can average $1,500 per year or more on average, and depreciation can be brutal. A $100,000 luxury sedan can lose $60,000 of value in 5 years. So maybe check out the Lexus ES Hybrid. Extremely reliable and lower ownership costs. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Plug-in minivans sound great, but the Pacifica Hybrid has experienced battery recalls, software issues, electrical glitches. Minivans are often used heavily by families. I love them. I have 2 kids and dogs. It's great. But high mileage plus complex hybrid systems can create long-term reliability concerns. So maybe check out the Toyota Sienna Hybrid. Standard hybrid system there with excellent reliability on its track record. The Mercedes GLE. Mercedes builds incredible vehicles, but ownership costs are just high. Maintenance packages alone can cost $1,200 a year. Air suspension repairs can reach $4,000 or more. Luxury SUVs also depreciate faster than many buyers expect. So instead, maybe go the Genesis route, the GV80. Much lower ownership costs and a better warranty, and it still drives like a luxury vehicle. The Jeep Compass. This final vehicle may surprise you, maybe not. Consumer Reports reliability scores have often placed this SUV near the bottom of its class. Owners frequently report issues involving transmission behavior, electrical glitches, infotainment bugs, and resale value is weak. A better alternative? Why not the CR-V Hybrid from Honda? Excellent reliability and very much a strong resale value play. So here's the reality about these modern cars. They're becoming more complicated than ever. More technology, more electronics, more software, and that complexity means more things can break, and odds are you can't do it by yourself. That's why smart buyers focus on vehicles with proven reliability records, and my videos are the ones that help. Before you buy anything, compare your pricing at quotes.everymandriver.com first. That site lets dealers compete for your business so you can see who's actually has the best deal. Check it out on multiple zip codes and multiple dealers. Make them send you a quote and then use those quotes against them. Why not? There's also a direct link below the video. It's one of the easiest ways to overpaying for your next vehicle. Now I want to hear from you. What vehicle do you think is the biggest potential money pit right now? Drop that in the comments, will you? Your experience could help out other buyers avoiding making a costly mistake as well. And if this video helped you, and I hope it did, please consider clicking subscribe to Everyman Driver. I post daily videos on car buying advice, reviews, and industry insights designed to save you money. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Adios.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. Want to save 5% on your very own at-home barrel sauna? I've partnered with Almost Heaven to hook you up. This has been a game changer for my recovery and daily routine. Use my code and link below and start sweating smarter. You can save 5% on the red light panel that I use every week. This platinum LED Biomax works anywhere. Bedroom, gym, recovery room, and is packed with science-backed benefits. Use my code below and start feeling the difference today.